How to get refund from Shein. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're wondering how you can get a refund out of the return on your Shein, it is pretty simple. Firstly, launch a Shein application in your device or check out the Shein webpage. Then, starting off, in order to refund, you will have to return the item firstly. For that, tap on the me icon or the person icon which is at the bottom right corner. In here, you will find the option of My Orders. Tap on View All. Over here, you will find various of orders that you have purchased or placed so far. Now, select an item that you want to return off your Shein. By selecting it, you have to provide them with a valid reason. If it is a defect, you have to upload photograph of the defect as well. Then tap on the Next Step button at the very bottom. Now to select for your refund, you can select on the refund method and your return method as well. After which, you'll get a list of options to select your refund method. You can directly add your bank account for this, or you can also select the option of credit card or other different banking option. You can just select on payment account or Shein wallet. Once you have successfully selected your refund method, your refund will be processed. Depending upon the seller and the purchase, you might get partial or even full refund. It might take up to 10 to 15 days to receive your refund. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.